What are you doing today?
Going to shoot some guns with a bunch of other Cuetos.
What are you dropping at today?
I think I'm gonna drop it to the towers today.
Noob.
What's going on, fellas? I'm here with Testosterone Turkey.
Big ups. Big ups, muscle pilled.
Big ups, Testosterone Turkey.
Chip Shop Tuesday.
You already know, Testosterone Turkey, my gay butt girl.
What did he say?
I'm here at a very exclusive content creator range day. It may or may not be owned by Demolition Ranch. It's certainly possible.
Well. Hang on, I'm getting a call. Oh yeah? Yeah, he's here. Yeah, the CEO of the twink community just called. You missed the meeting today.
I'm gonna throw it back on you. I'm gonna throw it back on you. I'm gonna throw it back on you. Big ups to Brandon Herrera and Donut Operator for inviting us out to this. Big ups to True Shot Ammo for sponsoring all the ammo. It's a lot. I'm gay and we're gonna go shoot some guns. All right, fuck it.
Splendid. It doesn't like the snacks.
Clearly not. Like, swallow a grenade.
Motherfucker, if you can get a hold of a live grenade and want to try to swallow it, please swallow it.
Yeah,
You kind of deserve it.
natural selection.
You want to try that with natural selection?
Yeah. Your gun's in the gene pool.
Darwin Award, yes.
Yeah.
You kind of deserve it at that point, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, really, like, that's a serious concern by legal?
Yeah. Well, for one, just getting a hold of a live grenade in the first place.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, there's probably some idiot out there that would want to try that, but the fact that he can get a hold of a live grenade and he wants to try that, I don't want him anywhere near me.
I know. Yeah, that's a dangerous man right there. Yeah.
Ready, Ethan?
I just cinched the fuck out of my hand. You see that?
She's hot.
Hot.
Going hot.
Woo! Woo! It destroyed my cigar.
That's called pucker effect, baby.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Ain't good fucking night.
No way, dude. Okay, Bert. What's up, dude? Huh? What's your name? Ethan. I don't know your real name. Luke? Let's go you down here. Him the fuck out. Let's go. Shoot some guns? Dude, yeah.
Oh my God. Take a video, that's way better. I don't know if there's a video. Are you getting it? You guys get a video, it's way better. Nice to meet you, gentlemen. Yeah, say, just cinch my hand with the cigar. No, I'm kidding. Fucking Chip Shop Tuesday. Just right up here.
Oh, there's two cameras?
Yeah, well, you know.
Please, man. One at a time. Look like fabulous.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Nice jacket.
Nice jacket yourself.
Thanks.
Hi.
Heard about them and preemptively banned their fucking all your Halo videos.
All your Halo, dude. That's just, I didn't know you'd be here.
I'm repping it.
Yeah.
That's my boy. That's my boy MC.
Oh my God, is that John Halo? John Halo from Fortnite?
They got the battle rifle here from Fortnite.
From Fortnite?
From Fortnite.
Oh my God.
They have it here, yeah.
Drop the Tilted Towers.
Just in case you forgot yours, I brought mine.
Oh, jeez. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan, it's nice to meet you, man.
You too, dude.
Kagan.
I'm Muscle Pill.
Muscle Phil? Oh, fuck.
The helmet guy. The helmet guy.
Muscle Phil?
Yeah, Muscle Pill.
That's you?
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
You got your helmet here or what?
Yeah, it's in my truck.
Okay, you gotta break that motherfucker off.
I mean, it's a
you
great...
help run the page with them or something? Or?
Nah, we were Marines together.
Yeah, we were Marines together,
Are
so...
you a Marine too?
Yeah, I was.
I fucking know that.
Yeah.
That's cool,
Fuck
man.
yeah. I got out in
Who are you with?
So I was on Pendleton all 4 years.
Okay.
That I was in. I was with HMLA 267. I was with VMM 164, and then HMLA T303.
I was a grunt for 5 years, so like I still eat rocks and shit. You know?
Yeah. When he was in
right.
Afghanistan, he met
Fucking
Kennedy.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah, I went for
I got a few of them too. Fucking this thing going hard, dude.
Kennedy, yeah.
Actually,
There's a
crazy.
picture of us in Afghanistan at HKIA during the withdrawal.
No shit.
I'm trying to get on a gun.
Get you on a fucking AK.
That's why I have full mag.
Pussy hurts, bro.
excuse me. My pussy hurts.
That's also a good idea. Yeah. I keep thinking this is a person.
Dude, me too.
It's fucking me up. It's fucking me up.
I told it sorry earlier.
Oh my God, it's Grand Thumb. It's actually him. You look good in those sunglasses.
Shut up, bitch.
Butt girl.
Shut up, twink.
Yeah, you're the twink.
You're a fucking twink. Sub 200 pounds. You're a fucking twink.
Still got more muscle than you.
I don't think there's enough.
Shut the fuck
I don't
up.
see how conversion can work.
Huh? You wanna?
Yes.
Hey, you got the Barrett mag? We finished loading bags.
This thing's gonna stop.
Yeah. Forgot that was
It's big.
Yeah.
Hey, come here, give me a little kiss, boy. Fucking sissy liberal.
I wanna go get my drum. I just should have
Throwing ass on Grand Thumb. My teachers in high school said I'd never get to throw ass on Grand Thumb. Look at me now. Nuts to butt. Just a triple check.
Nut to butt, cock and ass.
How Karen?
Load and make ready!
Like this, biatch. Like.
Oh my Lord. When you started shooting that...
America.
Yeah, you started shooting that Barrett?
Yeah, Jesus Christ, bro.
Feeling in your nostrils, man.
Fucking hell.
That is crazy.
I forgot to press record.
Hey guys, can we do it again?
Dude, my skeleton is shaking.
I wasn't trying to do that.
Was it? It was
iconic.
Oh my God, he said the thing.
Iconic.
He said the thing. I'm leaking.
Out of my ass.
I was just...
Is all the blood rushing to you, the nether regions?
Yeah, my little pussy.